Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we shall practice gender of the noun. What is the gender? You know, identify the male and female is said to be a gender. What is your gender? If my name is Shiba, so my gender is female. If my name is Avinash, so my gender is male. So guys, gender are four types. First is masculine gender. First is masculine gender. So those nouns which give the knowledge about the male caste. Remember, those nouns which give the knowledge about the male caste with gender come under the male caste is said to be masculine gender. For example, boy. Boy is a male, so we can say that it is a masculine gender. The next is lion. Lion is under the male caste, so it is a masculine gender. The next is man. Man is it is a male caste, so it is under the masculine gender. The last prince. It is under the male caste, so it is a masculine gender. The next is feminine gender. Those nouns which gives knowledge about the female caste, we can say it feminine gender. All the females becomes under the feminine gender. For example, girl. Girl is a female, so girl become under the feminine gender. The next is queen, lioness, mother, princess. All these examples become under the female, so all the females become under the feminine gender. Common gender. Those nouns that are used for both male and female, we can say it common gender. For example, friend, student, cousin, parents, neighbor. All these example we can use male and female both of. So guys, friend always be male and female both of. For example, Shiba is my friend. Shiba is a female, we use friend for female. Avinash is my friend, we use friend for Avinash. So guys, friend is a common gender. The next is students, male and female. Girls, male and females both of used for student. The next is cousin. Cousin is a male and female both of. Parents, male and female is both of. Mother under the parents and father under the parents. Mother is a female and father is a male. So the next is neuter gender. Those nouns which gives knowledge about the inanimate object. Inanimate objects means lifeless objects. Which gives knowledge about the lifeless object, we can say it neuter gender. For example, pen, chair, fan, book, stone. All these examples are lifeless thing, inanimate object. So these examples become under the neuter gender. We can say it neuter gender. Okay guys, after discussion the types of gender, we shall practice rules of the gender, how to change masculine gender into feminine genders. So let's start. How to change masculine gender? Will be sister, son will be daughter, father will be mother, nephew will be niece, king will be queen, bachelor will be maid, lord will be lady. So guys, when we are changing masculine gender into feminine genders, we use another words. The next is use of ESS. Okay guys, when we are changing masculine gender into feminine gender, we cannot use one word instead of another words every situation. Some situation we use ESS. Some masculine genders we cannot use another word, we use ESS. Some masculine gender we use ESS. For example, let's start author. We use authoress, lion, lioness, poet, poetess, god, goddess, Jews, Jews. So we use ESS. Okay guys, the next is we use ESS instead of last vowel words, means leave off last vowel word and use ESS. Okay, for example, ACTOR, actor, we have O last vowel word, so we use ESS. ACTRESS, actress, and leave off O. In the same director, DIECTOR, director, we use ESS. DIRECTRESS, directors. Inspector, 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 we use ESS and leave off O. INSPECTRESS, inspector. Negro, we leave off O and negro will be NEGRESS, negress. Prince, 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 we have the last vowel word E, so prince will be PRINCESS, not PRINCEESS. Okay, the next is by changing the word in some compound noun. What is the compound noun? When we have more than one word, it is a compound noun. How to change masculine gender into feminine gender in the compound noun? We only change one word in the compound noun. Okay, the first example of masculine gender, he got, which change only she got. Grandfather, grandmother. Man, servant, maid, servant. Male, servant, female, servant. Landlord, landlady. Stepson, stepdaughter. Washerman, washerwoman. Fisherman, fisherwoman. Repeated. In the masculine gender, he got will be she got. Grandfather will be grandmother. We change only one word when we have changed in the masculine gender into feminine gender. Okay, the next is maid servant, maid servant. Male servant, female servant. Landlord, landlady. Stepson, stepdaughter. Washerman, washerwoman. Fisherman, fisherwoman. If you want to new topic according to you, please comment me.